Whenever you're ready, Jeff.
So this is our outdoor display at our Trenton location. It's Porcelain Tile. We saw some rust showing up and we didn't really know why. So we investigated. Guess what it is? A rusty shovel from shoveling off the snow in the winter. And that can happen to anyone. But it's very persistent. It's very difficult to get off. After a little bit of research, I found the right solution, and I'm going to show you how to clean rust off of porcelain tile with HD Britenol from EaCo Chem. Actually, hang on a second. Oh, I know all my glasses. Are you recording? Well, it does a lot more than just clean off. Doesn't even say that it cleans rust, but it does say it's suitable as a mild acid for cleaning porcelain tile. I don't want to say everything, but the neat thing, the best feature of this stuff and a lot of the EaCo Chem products is they're brushless. You don't have to go out scrubbing like crazy. So we're going to mix this up at a 30-to-1 ratio in a backpack sprayer. We're going to soak everything down, wash it off first, get a lot of that, dirt and debris off. But we're going to spray it down and allow it to do its dwell time. Dwell means to wait, let it do its magic. And then we're going to rinse it off and hopefully have all of these rust stains from our rusty snow shovel removed from this very high-end porcelain tile installation. Yeah, I mean, I really do feel like I'm going in for surgery here. I think doctors usually blow on the gloves first. I don't know. So we're going to mix up a 30-to-1 ratio. This is a mild acid. It's not like muriatic acid. It's mild, but it's still, you don't want to get it on your hands. That's why I got these on. Pro tip, with anything you're using a cleaner or a detergent, you never put it in first and then add the water later. It'll foam up like crazy. So always add your water and then add your detergent or cleaner or your concentrate, whatever it is, after. All right. Holy, it's a humid day. So we're just going to give this a pre-wash. You can actually see the rust a lot better now that it's kind of clean. See the rust streaks from the shovel? Always wanted to be a Ghostbuster. Who are you gonna call? So we're gonna do a test plot here, and I'm gonna spray these here. They're already pre-wet, washed off. Spray these. I'm gonna scrub this one, and then these four, I'm just gonna spray them, and we're not gonna scrub it, and see how it does. And the product does say you may need to do a couple of applications. So we'll rock the one, we'll see where we get to, and then we'll keep going as we see the results. Pro tip, always if you have slope, work at the bottom of your slope and work your way back up the slope. Because if I started at the top of the slope and worked my way down, there would be more running down the hill and washing off. So we want to kind of evenly distribute the cleaner. So starting at the bottom and working our way up is the best way for us to kind of self-calibrate the application. All right, just got a stiff bristle scrub brush, and I'm just gonna kind of move it around evenly. I'm not really scrubbing that hard. Super important when you're doing any cleaning with a mild detergent, mild acid, is to make sure that, especially on warm days, that you're out of direct sunlight, so it's good to do it on an overcast day, and not to let the surface ever dry out. So work in small, manageable sections at a time, and try not to do it on a sunny, hot day. All right, guys, I'm not sure if you can see, but there's actually a pretty big difference from not washed to washed. It's actually bringing out the real color. Not only have we been able to remove the rust, but I think we got rid of some of that, you know, construction debris, probably some of the stuff that's floating around in our yard, getting embedded in the surface of the porcelain tile. These are grouted joints, so you know the slurry when you're floating and then you're wiping it up and trying to clean it. It does require a cleaning afterwards, and we never really did that. So, you know, hitting it with this HD Britenol as a mild acid detergent has cleaned everything up, including getting rid of our rust stains. So again, this is a not treated tile. You can, maybe a little hard to see, but you can see those rust stains, and they transfer all the way down, right? Through all the tiles here, right through, and then gone, and the ones that we've cleaned. So this was a section here was only sprayed, wasn't scrubbed, and this was sprayed and scrubbed. Both plots got 2 applications with a dwell time of 8 minutes in between each. So now I'm really happy with the results. I'm not going to do anything more, and I'm just going to rinse it off thoroughly.